After the topic 2 or section 2, the third topic is fundamentals of information technology.
That's right. Here we have 6 main subtopics here. Firstly, we describe what hardware is. So basically about the CPU, input-output devices, secondary storage and the primary memory. And secondly, we look at what type of computer systems are available. Thirdly, it discusses what software is. So there are basically 2 types of software, system software as well as application software. So here we discuss about the system software and different types of application software.
So this particular chapter reminds me the another course in the semester 1, that is the computer systems. Because it's related to some of the discussions in this part is related to the computer systems, but I think the most of the content are described with respect to the application in organizations. Am I correct, Dr. Amma?
Yes, that's right. In computer systems, they basically give an introduction of what these components are. Here we discuss these things relating to the business organization. For example, application software. So what types of application software is available and how these software is being used for individual purposes as well as for business purposes.
So students have a chance to see the similar content in other courses. The fourth one is the organization of organizing data and information.
That's right. Here we look at how to organize data and information. So basically here we talk about, we introduce how to the application of database management systems. At the beginning, we introduce data management concept. So how the hierarchy of data is organized, and then we discuss about the traditional approach as well as the database approach. So advantages and disadvantages between these 2 approaches. Then secondly, we talk about the data modeling and primarily about the relational database approach.
So it has how many sections?
There are 4 sections. Now I have mentioned 2 sections here, and the third section basically provides discusses the functions of a database management systems. Also here we have mentioned the role of database administration and what a database administrator does as well, and also in the 4th subsection, we discuss what are the database applications available. For example, we discuss about data mining, that is one of the latest database applications, and also business intelligence. So things like that which are very useful for businesses.
So I believe we are not going into low technical details here. It's a general knowledge about what are the things available. So sometimes students will find these things are very new latest technology. Is understanding or the knowledge that will be very useful for you to in a later stage in the program, in the course, they will be able to learn those things in more detail.
That's right. They will do, I believe, in the future about more detail about and technical knowledge they will get by doing other modules.
For example, things like data mining. So the next topic is the fundamentals of communication and networks. That is the topic 5.
Yes, let me briefly take you through this. We discuss about what the role of networks basically in organizations, and also what types of devices are used to link the computers and different types of networks, as well as the application of networks to business in terms of discussing about the value of the internet, intranets as well as the extranets.
So these are again not very low level, but is how the things are set up in an organizational level, how the applications are used.
That's right. Here we don't emphasize on very much on technical aspects.
Okay, so these are the 5 topics which comes in the first half, and I believe we discuss only the first topic about the learning activities, the resources which are available. Similar to the topic 1, all other topics the students will be able to find the student manual, interactive learning lessons, practice quizzes, and also the forums where they can discuss their questions and the comments. And once they complete all these sections in the first half, they will have to do an assignment.
That's right. The assignment is, as I mentioned to you earlier on, is based on the 5 topics that we discussed.
So the assignment is again a quiz, that is MCQ, multiple choice questions, and this assignment consists of 10 multiple choice questions randomly selected from the particular question base. It won't be the same question for all the students this time, and these questions, important thing is you have only 3 chances to do the assignment, and therefore when you are doing the assignment, the practice this test quiz, it's very important to go through the other practice quizzes in the other sections and the interactive learning lessons, and we are selecting the best score out of all these 3 quizzes. And anything that you like to mention for the students for the assignment?
Basically, if you do the practice quizzes, they will get an idea of how to, they will be more confident in preparing for the assignment. So basically, my advice is to do the practice quizzes as much as possible, then the assessment will be, the assignment one will be much easier for you.
Okay. So that's very important thing. So you have to complete the practice quizzes, even though it is not a rule. You will find it confident to do the assignment. And very important to know the course has a 2 assignment. The first half assignment, the first the test quiz, they will get 40%. The students will get 40%, and the second assignment, which covers the second half of the syllabus, the student can get 60%. So the pass mark is 50%, and the calculated based on the will take the average. So I hope it won't be a very difficult thing if you do all these things, and in a future program we will discuss more details about the second half and the assignment, but meantime you can start working on the first 5 topics in the IST module. And thank you very much, Dr. Yamaya, for the discussion, and hope to see you in another program.